Best High-Gloss Automotive Paints enhance vehicle shine, protect surfaces, resist fading, and deliver a premium, showroom-quality appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best high-gloss automotive paints that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MCTRHG Gloss Varnish for Acrylic Painting. MCTRHG Professional Acrylic Gloss UV Varnish is an excellent finishing solution for artists seeking long-lasting protection and enhanced visual appeal. This high-quality acrylic varnish effectively seals artwork, shielding it from dust, UV rays, and yellowing while preserving the integrity of the original paint. Its permanent high-gloss finish applies smoothly, creating an even, streak-free shine that intensifies colors and adds depth without visible brush marks. The fast-drying, water-based formula dries clear to a flexible yet durable surface, ensuring no damage to the underlying paint film. Ideal for both beginners and professionals, it's easy to use and works well on a variety of surfaces, including canvas, wood, DIY crafts, and bottle art. With its transparent protection and color-enhancing effect, this varnish keeps artwork looking fresh and vibrant over time. Backed by a satisfaction guarantee, it's a reliable choice for creative projects. Now our second product is Follow an Automotive Clear Coat. This crystal high-gloss automotive clear coat delivers an impressive finish that instantly enhances the look of any painted surface. Once applied, it creates a clear, mirror-like gloss that boosts transparency and depth, making car paint appear brighter, smoother, and almost brand new. Beyond aesthetics, the clear coat offers long-term protection with excellent durability and UV resistance. It forms a tough protective film that helps resist dust, sand, rain, and daily wear while reducing fading and aging caused by prolonged sun exposure. Designed for convenience, the small bottle includes a built-in brush, making application simple even for beginners. It hardens within an hour, and just a few coats are enough to achieve a thick, reliable protective layer, saving both time and effort. Its versatility is another strong advantage, as it works well on cars, motorcycles, bicycles, metal surfaces, painted walls, wood furniture, and even crafts or models, making it a practical all-in-one coating solution. Our third product is Krylon I00500A07 12-ounce Triple Fit Clear. This extra high-gloss clear coating stands out for its efficiency and professional-grade results. Designed so that one coat equals the coverage and protection of 3 standard clear coats, it significantly reduces application time while delivering a deep, glossy finish. The permanent protective layer enhances color depth and surface clarity, giving projects a polished, high-end appearance that lasts. Its non-firing glaze formula makes it especially convenient, as no heat or kiln is required, saving both time and effort. Ideal for polymer clay, bisque, plaster, and similar materials, it seals surfaces effectively while adding a smooth, durable shine. The coating dries evenly, forming a strong protective barrier that helps resist wear and environmental exposure. Sold per pack, it offers excellent value by combining durability, high gloss, and ease of use in a single product. For artists and DIY enthusiasts seeking a reliable, high-impact finish without complex processes, this clear coating is a practical and dependable choice. Now number 4, Seymour 620-1413 Industrial MRO High. This high-performance spray paint delivers outstanding coverage and durability, making it a reliable choice for both automotive and industrial applications. With 3 to 4 times the coverage of standard aerosol paints, it reduces the number of cans needed while saving time and cost. The advanced formula is designed to apply smoothly without running or sagging, even on vertical surfaces, ensuring a clean and professional-looking finish. Its single-coat hiding capability provides excellent opacity, covering surfaces effectively in just one pass. Beyond appearance, this spray paint offers strong protection against rust, harsh weather conditions, oil, gasoline, and most corrosive chemicals, helping extend the life of treated surfaces. It also resists abrasion and heat, making it suitable for parts exposed to friction or elevated temperatures. Overall, this spray paint combines efficiency, durability, and ease of application, making it an excellent solution for long-lasting protection and high-quality finishes. And our last choice is Chemical Guys WAC_808_16 Hybrid V7. Hybrid V07 is a premium quick detailer spray and sealant designed to deliver an impressive high-gloss shine with exceptional optical clarity. Ideal for refreshing your vehicle between full washes, it instantly enhances paintwork while adding a durable layer of protection. Its optical select spray sealant technology effectively removes fingerprints, light dust, road grime, and debris, bonding smoothly to the surface to revive color depth and brilliance on any paint shade. Application is quick and effortless, making it perfect for regular maintenance without streaks or residue. Beyond shine, Hybrid V07 provides reliable defense against daily driving elements, including harsh sunlight, rain, road debris, and water spots. The advanced nanospec engineering ensures long-lasting weather protection across various exterior surfaces. It also excels at maintaining existing wax or sealant layers, extending their life while boosting gloss. Overall, Hybrid V07 is a convenient, high-performance solution for keeping your vehicle looking clean, protected, and showroom-ready at all times. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.